Hello everyone. I want to make a quick review of this SUNDUO electric kettle. I've been using it for a couple of months. It's 30 bucks and it works well. It looks nice, it's clean. My only complaint is that when you close it and you open this, to open it all the way you need to use your thumb. It's really not a big deal at all. Outside of that, it says it's extra quick at boiling water. I think it's just pretty much as any other electric kettle. It's a couple minutes, it's very quick. But my biggest complaint really is that this is only 1 liter and your standard electric kettle is 1.7. And I've really found that it may look pretty much the same size as the others, but 1 liter is not a lot of water at all. Like at all. Say you just have an instant soup and a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or something like that, you're pretty much out of water. And this is really my only annoyance. I just feel like I would like it to just hold a little more water and that's it, because it's just obnoxious to have to constantly fill more water, heat it, fill more water. I could just have a small reserve, that way I don't have to go back and forth as often. And if I'm paying 30 bucks, it's just, what am I gaining from other than the fact this kind of just looks nice and they all just generally look fine. It's a tea kettle. So those are my 2 cents. There's nothing really wrong with this kettle. It looks good, works great. But I would just opt for one with a bit more water storage. So yeah, those are my 2 cents. Hope that helps.